Hey y'all, I just released my first financial literacy ebook, How I Became Debt Free in 22 Months. This is an easy, educational, and encouraging guide. I want you to check it out. It's only $5. Look in the link in the description box below and click that button. Hey y'all, so I decided to make some mashed potatoes from scratch. I love mashed potatoes and I love making them. This is probably one of my most favorite sides to make with just about anything. I did give them just a little rinse off, you just want to make sure that there's nothing on there. I got these from my local grocery store and I just gave them a quick little peel. I always try to get the nice size ones because I want my mashed potatoes to last just for a few days. So that's why I only have 3 here because I felt like they were a pretty good size and I'm just making this side for me. Of course, if you're going to be making this for yourself and other people, then be sure to double it as needed. I feel like peeling mashed potatoes are so therapeutic, y'all. I know I be peeling like a ninja, okay? It just goes everywhere. But I like to peel them in the sink so that I can just gather them pretty quickly and then throw them out. I got my cutting board here. I am going to cut them the long way. And if you're wondering why I was wearing dish gloves, listen, I had just got my nails done and I wanted to make sure that they stayed pristine, okay? So you're going to cut them the long way here. Just cut it, until it's diced, until the whole potato, is done. So you should have about, what is that, like 3 or 6 pieces there, about 3 to 6 pieces each. As you're cutting your potato. I know I need a better knife, so I don't need to hear that in the comments, okay? And y'all already know my cutting skills are not the best. I got my little medium pot here. I'm just going to put them in there. Yes, I am covering them in chicken broth. I learned this hack from Divas Can Cook. Shout out to her. As you can see, my pot was already getting quite warmed up. And you just want to cover your potatoes. So this was about the whole thing of chicken broth, but just cover them. I did let them boil for maybe like 30 to 40 minutes. As you can see, I did, drain them off camera, and then I brought them back to my pot to mash them. You can see my eye is still on because I didn't want them to be watery at all. So leave your eye on just for a little minute to kind of soak up any water. I like my mashed potatoes a little chunky, y'all, okay? So I like to be able to kind of bite through it just a bit. I got some half and half along with some butter and some cream cheese. So that's my secret ingredient here for today. I'm using cream cheese. It just makes it so nice and creamy. And I like that you can taste it inside of the mashed potatoes. I mean, it just gives just a good vibe. Did y'all see me eat that little piece that fell off? When I tell you these mashed potatoes were hitting, and of course, use as much butter as you like. I also gave it just a little season with some seasoning salt. Sometimes I'll put pepper in there as well, but I just needed just a little bit. The chicken broth, does kind of help to season it up a bit. And you're just going to give it a swirl like so. I know I needed a bigger fork. And here we are right here, y'all. Listen, I just got just a little on the plate. I was trying to plate it and make it look all nice and fancy for y'all. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know, what do you think? And I got some parsley here. Y'all, this recipe is so easy and fun. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know, are you trying this?